Today we're looking at shading Venn diagrams, and we're going to use dots. I want to show you a method of using dots. Let's start with this first one. Represent the following sets by shading the region. So shade the region that contains A intersect B, A intersect B. So because it's A intersect B, it means that we're looking for where A and B overlap. So if we dot the set A and we dot the set B, we're going to easily identify that part where they overlap. So let's start by dotting all of A, all of the regions that are inside of A. So that's A with dots, and then let's dot B and see where they overlap. That's in B, and that's also in B, the one in the middle. So where you see two dots, shade. Okay, so this next one, A union B, is not looking for an overlap. It's just asking us to identify all the regions that are contained in A or B or both. Okay, so let's dot A. We start by dotting A. Those regions are contained in A. And then let's dot the regions that are contained in B. Let's dot that one. So we don't have to dot the middle again because it's already been dotted and we're not looking for an overlap. So where we see dots, where there are dots, we're going to shade. So with union, where you see dots, whether it's 2 or 3 dots in the same region or just one, you shade. Okay. So what about this one? A union B complement. We just shaded A union B, so it's inside the sets, inside the Venn diagrams, A and B, inside those sets. So outside A union B is A union B complement. Okay, this one is nice and easy. But what about this one? A complement intersect B. So we're looking for the region where the set A complement intersects with B. So we're looking for an overlap where A complement overlaps with B. So let's dot A complement, all the regions that contain A complement. A complement means outside of A. So that's A complement. That's also within A complement. Okay, so now let's dot B. Okay, all the regions that are contained in B. So this region and this region. So where we see 2 dots is where the overlap of the 2 sets are, and that's where we shade. Okay, and then there's this one, A complement intersect B complement. This is another overlap example. Okay, so we're looking for the region where the set A complement overlaps with the set B complement. Let's dot them first. A complement means outside of A. So this is outside of A. Okay, so you dot all the regions that are within A complement. Let's dot B complement. This is outside of B. This is outside of B. So we dotted the outside twice. So that's where the overlap is, and that's where we shade. Okay, that means that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersect B complement, because A union B all complement looked just like this as well. All right.